For TraderInsight.com, I'm Julie Manns. This is an extra on Extra Innings in Adrian's Around the Horn, a trader's guide to consistently scoring in the markets. The original book, we have a metaphor using baseball. And extra innings, these are trades that either didn't trigger on the day they were set up, according to the plan, or they have more follow-through. These are things you can identify the night before as you're going over what happened during the day and what might be setting up tomorrow. So you're setting up new trades for tomorrow, but you don't want to throw away all the hard work on some of the trades that might have some follow through the next day. We're told that one of the blessings and curses of our training program is that there is so much opportunity. And that's exactly what we want everyone to have every day. So there are new setups every day. There are different types of setups every day. There are a couple different marketplaces, NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange we use, and there are also trades we don't throw away from the day before because they're still valid. So this is one of them. We had today in the room, DKS. Here it is on a daily chart. Now this is one that was set up for Tuesday, March 27th. It is in a portion of our plan, which is a more discretionary portion called Stocks to Watch, but we still give you an entry and a maximum stop. This is a daily chart. On a daily chart, this is what's called a line drive. So this is the 26th, and that's what it looked like on a 5-minute chart. So we had this set up as a long. Let me just move this over and show you what happened yesterday, the 27th. Opens up yesterday, trades down, and starts to trade sideways, and ends the day sideways. So if you look at that on the daily chart, this is what it ends up looking like. So during the day today, we are now on the 28th. We have many shorts on our plan. We have opening gap trades that we've already been exploring, and also other extra innings I had from yesterday that were shorts that didn't quite develop or that I thought might have some more gas. This one I called in our trading room. So we have this great room where we are all trading these different setups, and there is a lot to do. And so usually we tell our traders, hey, just pick one thing or another. So this is a more advanced strategy if you see that the trades you have for the day are not setting up the way you want them to do. So in the room, I did tell the room I'm looking at DKS from yesterday. It was a long, it was sideways. Here's what I liked about it. It kept hitting this resistance level, so that became a central pivot. And it looks like it has a nice target above yesterday's closing range. So there was business that was done all the way up to here on Monday. Tuesday, it was sideways, and there was a lot of volume that went on. And for today, I'm wondering if they won't come back and try and take it up at least to this level. Here's the other nice thing I like about it. It has floor trader pivots at just the right level for today. So this is yesterday that I'm showing you. So let's see what happened today. So it opens pretty much in line. Now, here's where I'm looking to get in or setting a resting buy order here, and I'm looking at a target up here at the blue line or at the very most up toward this level where they were buying on Monday. So it starts up, goes ahead, goes through here, and here's where I am also now, once it's past this R1 pivot, if it comes back down through here, that's where my stop is. These are 5-minute bars. So you can see that it did make that pop and then failed. But this is where your order's in, this is where you're buying, this is where you're getting out. And the whole thing, if you just went pivot to pivot, has a potential profit of 45 cents. There's a little extra if you got up here and got out as this started to make what we call the double header reversal. One more trade I just want to point out for today. We had Twitter, TWTR. It was a short also on this discretionary stocks to watch portion of our plan. This was set up as a short for today, a fastball. I did enter down here and took a stop loss. Then I waited. A lot of times things come up to this floor trader pivot. This one didn't do it, but again, it showed this intraday, what we call double header reversal pattern. And our entry is just below that reversal. I had a target down here at these lows, mostly because at the end of the day, that's where the business ended, and there might be folks coming for it. Again, it opened lower, traded higher, so we know that there's business to be done somewhere in here. Lo and behold, Twitter hit the double header entry. Pull it back here so you can see what that looked like as it was happening. Hindsight is always difficult, but if you were in the room today, you saw us do this. So here it is, it's going up, headed toward this central pivot level. Doesn't quite make it. then reverses. This is where we're looking at all this volume and saying if it breaks down here, it has a chance to go at least 50 cents down to this area here. And what does it do? Made it. So I hope you joined us in the room today. If you didn't, I think that you might enjoy joining us in the room. Shoot me an email, julie@traderinsight.com. Hope to see you there.